Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Make.com to Notion. So first, make sure to log into your Notion account. After that, in the other tab, log into your Make.com account. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to create a new scenario. So click on the create scenario option at the top. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then right here, just have to search for Notion. Okay, so we have this one. So click on it, and then you just have to choose your trigger. So for example, I'm going to select watch data source items. Okay, after that, you just have to create a connection. So tap on create connection, and for the connection type, so we have Notion public. All right, after that, click on save. So here you just have to authorize make.com to integrate with your Notion account. Okay, so here you just have to select all of the pages. I'm going to select all pages for this access. Okay, and then click on the allow access after that. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once done, you would be able to see this option that you have successfully connected your Notion to Make.com. So here you just have to, you know, um, switch from database to the new data source option to prevent future errors caused by multiple data sources and Notion databases. So, for example, here for the watch by section, I'm going to select the um, database legacy. And then for the database ID, so you just have to type it out right here. And then for the trigger, okay, trigger by updated time. And for the maximum number of results to be worked with during one execution cycle, I'm going to click on two. After that, you just have to click on the save option. Okay, so do not forget the database ID so that you'll be able to save your changes. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.